today we're gonna do something different. I have opportunity to actually compare the X5M Stage 1 tune against another X5M that's stock. So I think you guys would love to see this. It'd be worth it. And if we can get them equally to start in time, I think it'd be a good representation to see how much quicker did the tune make the car be. I mean, we can all see on paper, but what does, an extra 0.2 of a second in a quarter mile or an extra 5 miles an hour in a quarter mile look like visually? All right, guys, so we're gonna get done that now. Someone, he has actually a Diamond Gray X5M. I think his is very identical to mine. I think he has black interior instead of the Magella red. All right, guys, so let's get started. about rocks hitting you?
Yeah, it was spewing out.
Oh, damn, I'm sorry, man.
No, it's fine. I mean, mine's got a lot of rockets anyway.
You wanna, I think I got jumped on you that one.
Yeah, you got a little bit of head start.
Okay. We can try one more, and then we can go out on the road. If I can get you next to me, I'll try to do a roll race.
Okay.
All right. Yeah, he's not gonna pass. You ready? I'll honk off.
Ready. Yeah, not a chance.
Yeah, not a chance. Man, that thing is quick.
Thank you. Yeah, I was surprised how I wasn't. I guess the outcome was different. I expected to pull them harder, but
It seems more. It's got more top end for sure.
it does. First and second gears, I think when you drove it, you know what it's like. It feels almost the same.
Yeah. Yep. And then once you kick into third, and then you start picking up speed, like it just pulls.
So I guess that's about right. That's about how it should be.
Yeah. Is this? And you said this
All right.
is what, a stage 1 plus?
No, just regular stage one.
Okay, stage 1.
Yeah, 91 octane. I think if I were to go to 93, but it's not available, it's a little more power. I think that's why a lot of commenters are saying, "Oh, I expected the car to be faster with the tune because I'm on 91, and it's not California 91 grade. It's not like the best fuel, so it's not. It gives you a little bit more power, but it's not the full where you expect the full potential."
Right.
All right, everyone. Let me know what you guys think. Can you see the difference with the tune? Now, I know that the way it looks, if he got the jump, it takes a second for me to come back. But guys, you gotta understand how much power it takes to make up a distance when someone does get an advantage. When someone does get a slight jump, it makes it, a significant, you need a horsepower advantage in order to overcome, not only match what they're doing, but then overcome and then pull. The next thing is, what do you guys think about when the roll race? Now we're already rolling. I feel like just those hits, knew that this thing just jumps out like a rocket. I mean, it really does. And the last thing, guys, are you guys curious about seeing the M3 versus the X5? Let me know. If you are, let me know in the comments. And if this video gets 100 likes, we'll match these two together. Now I can tell you right now, this one's all-wheel drive. It has at least advantage to start. This one here, I mean, it is tuned, but it doesn't put the power down as easy as, you know, the X5M. So let me know. Like I said, if you guys give me 100 likes on this video, M3 versus the X5M will be the next one. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you on the next video.